Hi, I'm Mike Steeney here at Gateway Park. I'll be going over the techniques and practices to help you get the most out of your flip camera. This one, for an example, is called an establishing shot. It creates a setting of where your video will take place. It's easier on your viewers if you open each new setting with an establishing shot so you don't confuse them as to where they are. After you establish where you are, you want to move on to specific people and things. This medium shot helps to show specific people like myself and objects like this sign. Lastly, when you want to show the deep details of your subject, you want to use a close-up shot like this one. Be creative with these different styles of shots. Mix it up and make it interesting. Now that we have these styles of shots, let's get down to how to achieve them. Now this is a special type of tripod called a gorilla pod. Now, it's generally a good idea to always use a tripod to get the stillest image you can achieve. The coolest thing about these guys is that you can not only set them on a car or a bench, you can wrap them around things like poles, tree branches, and chain link fences. But please, if you're going to hang it anywhere, make sure that it's secure. Lastly, the most important part to any video is planning. It doesn't take too long to write out a little script or brainstorming pad. And the more you plan in advance, the faster the shoot will go. Decide in advance whether you want to take a 90-second shot from start to finish, separate your shots and divide up your dialogue, or take a whole bunch of different shots and narrate later. You should base this decision on how comfortable you are with editing. Or better yet, try all three and see what works best for you. Then lastly, as a final tip, you want to make sure that you shoot way much more than you're actually going to need, because it's always easier to cut things out if they're too much, but you can never add what you never captured in the first place. Thanks, and happy shooting.